everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Emily and I'm brand new here to the YouTube community. I'm super excited to start off today by showing you guys an unboxing of my brand new YSL bag. It's my first Saint Laurent purchase, so I'm super excited to open it up with you guys today and do a little review. So let's get started. You can see I opened it already a little bit just because I didn't want to struggle with the box in front of you guys on camera. So yeah, let's get started. Just like your normal shipping packaging. I don't know about you guys if you ordered from Saks before, but they don't have the most like luxurious packaging that I've seen, so that's one little downfall of this. And then they put the packing slip in there like that. Yeah, the packaging is just normal. And then it comes in this regular brown box, so another downfall if you guys order from Saks, it doesn't come in the like black and white YSL packaging, which is like slightly disappointing because you know it's more special and then you can put it on your closet like shelves and then show it off like decoration. So yeah, slightly disappointing, but you know, I got a Gucci bag and it didn't come with the box, but I went to the store and they gave it to me even though I ordered it from Saks, so I can try that later too. But yeah, just comes in this regular brown box, and then it comes in this nice dust bag. There's like drawstring handles here, so I don't know about storing it in this, but at least for travel it'd be nice to have. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so pretty. I'm so excited. So I'm just gonna wrap this. It's so pretty, guys. It's a little smaller than I thought. This is the medium size, so I feel like this is more like a small, but they call this one the medium. Comes with all the foam and wrapping on top. Alright. There's like a slot in the back for you to put your phone. It's really not flexible at all. Like, I don't really know what I would put in there actually. I don't even know if this will fit my phone. I'll try it out. And there's like a little more packaging inside. I like that they at least cover up the handles so the metal doesn't get scratched when it's shipping, because I want it in perfect condition. Take a look at that later. Yeah, you can see it's like one of those snap closure purses. Very similar to the Chanel boy bag, I think. Of course, I don't own a Chanel yet, but maybe one day. Yeah, there's not much to see inside. It's just like an empty, boxy style purse. There's not much like flexibility to it, but literally I got this because I know it'll go with every outfit. And yeah, let me open up some of those foams so you can see how pretty the handles are. Okay, that like only took me 5 more minutes. Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. It's exactly what I've been looking for. So you can wear it like this with a double handle so it sits a little shorter. So you can see like that. Super cute. Literally goes with what I'm wearing now. I mean, I don't even know what this wouldn't go with. I guess if you're wearing a bunch of silver, it might like clash with that, but this is so cute. My only concern is how much is it gonna fit. So, but let me show you guys how long it goes. So if you're not wearing it the double strap, you can wear the long strap. So it goes like all the way down by my butt. also wear a crossbody like that. That's really cute, especially if you don't want to lose it and you want to hang on to it. I don't know if you want to necessarily go to an amusement park like with this kind of bag, but this would be cute, like if you're a mom and you want like hands-free, you don't want to worry about anything. Yeah, so I just don't see what outfit this wouldn't go with. But yeah, okay. Now let's see what actually fits in here, because that's one of the most important parts. I know like micro bags are a trend right now, but I think most of us really appreciate practicality. So, oh, and it has these really nice detailing here with the name ingrained into the leather. It just feels really good quality. It feels really sturdy. But yeah, okay, let me see what will fit in this bag. Okay, so I brought over a few things and let's see what fits inside here. Okay, so I personally am a hoarder and keep all of my receipts and gift cards on me because you never know when you're gonna want to use them. So here's my little clear pouchy with some gift cards, receipts, a couple lipsticks, and yeah. So that will definitely fit in here by itself. There's still space for more. And then I have this medium-sized pink wallet, so it's like a little bit smaller than this bag. So let's see if this fits together. I feel like personally these two things are mostly what I need in my like everyday bag. Okay, so that fits. It's puffed out a little more. It got a little chubbier, if you can see from the side, but we're making it work. So if I really wanted to, yeah, I could fit all my receipts, my gift cards, and then my like everyday wallet there. And it will close, right? Yes, so it barely closes, but perfect, that works. And then if I wanted to fit a couple more lipsticks, I have a couple more here. Just put them on the side. I don't love to leave my lipsticks out in the open though, because I'm always afraid they're gonna open and then get everywhere. Definitely have had that experience before. So we're still good with that. And then if I really wanted to stuff this thing, I was wondering what I could put in the bag here, because I don't know if my phone will fit, but I have this other card case wallet, which is brand new also. I have not used this. So let's say you wanted to put your phone inside your bag and stuff a little hard case wallet outside. It'll barely fit. That's with no cards in it even at all. It barely fits, but see, you can't see from the outside. So you can do that if you really want to stuff the inside of your purse and then put a little card case on the outside, or like maybe a couple credit cards, like in case you're like, you know, you're going somewhere, you just want to have them handy. But yeah, okay. Now let's see. I have a bigger wallet. Let's see if that fits in here, because it's hard for us to change wallets all the time. So let's take all this stuff out, and then I have one of my bigger Kate Spade wallets. It's like, it's still smaller than this bag, so it should fit. It'll fit if it's by itself, but I don't think I could put anything else in here at all. Okay. It fits, and I could put a couple lipsticks and okay, so yeah, that big wallet fits in here just fine. So I think if any of you have, I don't think there's any wallets bigger than this one. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think anything can be more gigantic than this wallet stuffed with like all of my other gift cards or credit cards or old cards. So yeah, shouldn't have any problems fitting any wallet in there. And then I have my boyfriend's phone since I'm filming with my phone obviously, but I think this is just like the regular iPhone 6s. So fits super easily, and there's definitely room for like the biggest iPhone. I wonder if you can fit an iPad in here. Let me know if you guys know. But yeah, Okay, so yeah, I think you guys know what can fit in here now. It looks really small, like it looks so nice and like compact, but it can fit a lot. Like as you can see, like I don't know what else you would need to put in here, but I love it. I think it'll go with every outfit, and yeah, I don't know. I mean, there's other variations. This is obviously like the shiny gold hardware, and I think they have it in the silver also, and then there was also a beige color instead of the black, but I don't know, I felt like this goes more with nighttime outfits as well as daytime outfits, if that makes sense, and I can just wear it with more stuff. The beige one was really, really pretty too, so I mean, if you're deciding between both, I'd say like can't go wrong with either, but this is personally what I wanted, and I think it's a little closer to the like classic Chanel bag, so yeah, if you're going for that vibe, this is a really, really great purse. I'm really happy I got it. I won't be returning this for sure, so definitely happy about that. But yeah, and now I think I wanted to talk about how much was this bag. So originally, I've been looking at a little too bright. Okay, there. So it was originally $21.90, which is, I know, really expensive for a handbag, but I mean, it goes with everything. So if you were to just get one bag this year and maybe like last you for like several more years in the future, I mean, I can see this lasting a long time with the way it's like structured and like how good of quality it is compared to some of my cheaper bags, which only last me like a year. So, you know, you get what you pay for. But with that being said, so it was originally $21.90, but I've been looking at this since like before Christmas time, and it was sold out everywhere like right after Christmas, like January. Like you had to pre-order if you wanted it still, especially in the black color. The black color goes really fast, and really good deal on it. So, you know, most people think that you can't get luxury goods at a discount at all unless you buy pre-owned, which I'm not against pre-owned at all. I have like several pre-owned bags and I think they're really great, but I think the deal I got for this, it ended up being after tax like $1,650 instead of $21.90. So I had like about like $500 something in savings, and that was the whole reason I got it at Saks to begin with. So it's okay that they don't come with the box, and I'm a little bummed about that, but it's totally worth like over $500 in savings. So I definitely suggest you guys always use Rakuten. Anytime I make a purchase, I use it, and like it really adds up over time. Like they send you the checks every few months, and every time I get like $100 or a couple $100 back from just like the exact same spending I would normally do. Like I don't go out of my way and like buy more stuff because of the app, but yeah, it's like totally great. And like I was like looking on the app, and I saw this sale on Saks, and I was like, oh my gosh, like this is perfect timing. Like I don't think there's ever gonna be as good of a sale as this, and this is the bag I wanted for like literally like the past like over half a year now. So yeah, I'm super happy I got it, and that's my tip for getting luxury goods at a little bit of a discount. You know, I know it's still like $1,600 something is really like a lot of money, and like especially during these times, you know, it's tough, but like I've been wanting this for a long time, and I saved up, so I think it was a really good decision. I'm really excited. So that's what it looks like with the double strap, and it's super comfy. Like this leather padded detailing is really comfy on the shoulder. That's really cute. So you can wear it like that, or you can drop it down like there, and it goes a little bit past the hips, but also really cute. And or crossbodied. I think that's really cute also if you just want something more hands-free. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And like I said, this was my first video, so please be nice. And I plan on uploading more videos like this in the future, so if you guys like what you saw, please subscribe, and thank you again for watching.